I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best to the Best, congratulations! If you're watching this video right now, you have found Thompson Thompson, third generation in Nebraska. Winner of the 2024 National Best to the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction. This team has earned our national award for 7 straight years. If you need a company that you can truly trust, like so many others have for almost 30 years now, if you're dealing with storm damage and the insurance claim that came with that, watch the story of Thompson Thompson, third generation. Thompson Thompson, third generation in Plattsmouth, Nebraska is owned by 2 great guys, brothers Dan and Jim Thompson. And we've loved the story of Thompson Thompson, third generation for years now. This is a great company in every way. Thompson Thompson, third generation does all kinds of roofing, siding, gutters, attic insulation, and more, both residential and commercial. They are storm damage restoration experts. They know how to handle the insurance claims process the right way to get their clients back on their feet fast after a storm. They've been handling storms for over 27 years. Thompson Thompson is also a leader in installing EuroShield rubber impact-rated roofs. They're not only stunning roofs, but they are made of recycled materials. They're super hail and weather resistant. They come with fantastic warranties. They last up to 50 years. At Best of the Best, though, we care most about what real customers say about any business in recent reviews. It's all about the reviews these days. And our independent research over the years, we have read hundreds of 5-star reviews about Thompson Thompson, third generation. Here's just one of them, posted right before we did this video in 2024, and it really sums up in one sentence what this company is all about in our view. Beverly posted on Google, "I've had Thompson Thompson do roofing, gutters, and siding. You could not find a better company." We love that. Thompson Thompson, third generation, has so many repeat customers who simply would never call another company after the Thompson Thompson, third generation experience they had. Customers also love that this team offers great financing options. They've had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau for years, and they're both lead and asbestos certified. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. Thompson Thompson, third generation, has supported many worthy causes over the years. They're very active in both the state and national hemophilia foundations. Thompson Thompson, third generation, has supported veterans, children's organizations, and more. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations again to everyone at Thompson Thompson, third generation, a great American family business in Nebraska, and winner of the National Best of the Best Award in 2024, its 7th straight. Thompson Thompson, third generation, will likely keep on winning because at this company they only know how to do business one way, like they have for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.